Hello fellows, welcome to another episode of the Bitcoin series. Boys and girls, thank you very much for your support. Thank you very much for your messages. Unfortunately, I cannot reply to all of them. Sorry. I like your strategies. You are sending me more, to be honest. I'm trying to put as much material as I can into Quora. I know it's not the best. Reddit is not an option after this constant manipulation and unfreedom. You can start following us on Facebook also and on Instagram. Again, it's been a while. We had some issues with the CFTC report, so this caused some distortions and delays, but now it's restored. We are up on our account almost 30%. The sentiment that I'm getting for you is that most of you are short in the market. I have created a poll in this channel, in our channel. Here in the bottom, you can vote buy, sell, or flat. Well, I don't have so big sample. We are still a small community. But if we manage to grow more, for sure I will start publishing your feedback monthly. Again, I have also included some major pairs. I know most of Bitcoin traders do not trade FX. I'm not sure. You can share your feedback. Now, as I said, we are up on our account 30%. The number is not actually accurate because commissions are not calculated, but in any case, I prefer to have transparency, even if I have to pay some commissions. Now, the sentiment analysis is a bit weird this week. Retailers are decreasing their short positions, but if we check, commercials are increasing their shorts. 67% of them are short in the market. What I can conclude is that more people are buying and keep the asset, based on the prices. The commercials are almost 70% short. If we check the overall trend, all shorts and long positions, we can see that shorts are increasing. Again, as I said, you are always hearing my opinion in this episode. You don't have to trade, you don't have to follow my trades. You know that trading is risky as hell. 90% are losing money in the market and so on. We have said that several times. Now I will open my MT4 platform to go to some technical analysis. Here are our position. Our equity is 954 euro. Sometimes you will hear the currency in euro and the USD, most likely, and most of the times I will refer to USD. I believe that the second wave have started from this point. Here are the range of prices that I'm expecting some reaction in the market. These are retracements based on golden ratio. Initially, in the 4 hours, we had a diamond setup at this level. It was a bit confusing. I was expecting some small trend reversal, at least in the 4 hours chart, until the previous supports. It didn't happen so far. For me, the market in the daily overall, it's long, no doubt. Again, I have said that, and I will say it again. You don't have to follow my trades. Trading is really risky, and that's why I'm doing the trades instead of you. You don't have to trade anything. You don't have to trade real money. You know that the numbers are against you every time we say that in every video. So please don't believe guys that say that you can make some thousands of USD in a couple of minutes and so on. 99% of them are scammers. The trading has nothing to do with that. What we'll do and what I'm expecting is a consolidation at this area. The reason is very simple. I see a channel forming at this level. Again, I believe that the prices will go significantly higher. Here are my retracement, our basic levels. So what I'm expecting to see. The first reaction was indeed on our first golden ratio retracement. The second one, and what I'm expecting to see, our next level is close to 31k and 35 and so on. Let's see how the market will react until then. Again, I'm long in the market. I will keep my profits running. And again, guys, thank you very much for your support. Thank you for your likes. If you can start voting on the poll, will be very useful, at least to have an idea or a feedback from you. Again, thank you very much, trade safe, and I hope I'll see you in the future.